How to change default terminal directory in VS Code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you guys can change your default terminal directory in your Visual Studio Code. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's begin. First step, locate your VS Studio Code. After you locate it, open it up. After you're on your VS Studio Code, what you'll then need to do is head over to the settings. If you don't know how to, let me just show you. You're on the homepage of your VS Code. You will need to tap on the file option on the top left. After you tap on it, you'll find the preferences option right here. Hover over preferences and you'll find the settings option right here. Alternatively, you can simply click on Ctrl plus comma and you'll be on the settings. After you're on your settings, you will need to type in terminal.integrated.cwd. So type that in, terminal.integrated.cwd. After you type that in, you'll find this option right here, terminal integrated CWD. Tap on it. And here you will see the text area where you can tap on this. And all you now have to do is enter out your location. So here you can change your default terminal directory. Just type in the file location of the terminal of the directory. And after you do that, all you have to do is tap on Ctrl plus S to save it. After you do that, you'll have changed your terminal directory in VS Code. And that's how you do it, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.